Something just hits different about a cozy Christmas Sunday reset. Ugh, I love resetting on Sundays. It puts me in such a productive headspace and it makes me feel more successful. And then those successful vibes overflow into the rest of my week. So stay tuned for the most festive, cozy Christmas reset, where we'll be cooking, cleaning, decorating, and prepping for the holidays. First thing I want to do is start my chicken pot pie soup in the Instant Pot. This is a new recipe. I have not tried it before, so let's test it out together.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you.
Future Robin here, and I can attest that this recipe is approved. It turned out really good and it felt so cozy. There was one step where the recipe said to use the saute setting in the Instant Pot to brown the chicken first, but I skipped it and it was fine. And I'll link the recipe in the description below. Whenever I make a meal, I like to make a big batch so that we have leftovers for the next few days. So this will be our meal tonight, and then I'll pack up the rest to eat later. So while the soup is cooking, I want to get the living room reset, and I also want to add a couple more touches of Christmas.
Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
I didn't really like how these shelves turned out when I decorated them last week. So then I started putting all my decor there that might look good. And then it became the dumping ground for Christmas decor. So I'm clearing that off and we're gonna get to the bottom of this. We're gonna get these shelves looking like Christmas spirit. Yeah, we're gonna get these shelves looking like Christmas spirit.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding
I was on Pinterest and saw people who wrapped up books with Christmas wrapping paper, and it looked like such an easy decor piece I could make with what I already had. So I grabbed some of my really cute wrapping paper and I wrapped up some books and then I tied it with twine. And I was trying to think of a way to incorporate it into the shelf. I honestly really like what I did here, how I put the plants and then the candle. But then I took it out and I tried to put the books the other way. And I like it too, but like as I'm watching this back, I'm thinking, man, I should have kept it the first way because it looked really good. But honestly, the shelf turned out great. All of the shelves did. I feel like each shelf is like a different theme. And I love it. It was fun.
keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
The soup was done in the Instant Pot, so I was just doing the last couple steps in the recipe, blending up some potatoes to make it nice and creamy, and then shredding the chicken. So we're gonna eat the soup and pack the rest up, and then I wanna get really cozy for the rest of the evening. I am planning on making some cookies, and then I bought a couple Christmas gifts, so I want to add them into my Christmas tracker spreadsheet so I can keep track. And then I want to really take a moment just to be super festive and cozy. And I want to read one of the new books I got. It's like a Christmas at Hogwarts. It is so cute. It's like a coffee table book, but I also want to read it and enjoy it. So get ready for cozy activation mode.